From wild science comes the Polar Extremes Kit. Go on a quest to explore the extreme ecosystems, icy cold oceans, and amazing animals of the Arctic and Antarctic. Explore with fascinating science experiments and fun craft activities. Make and decorate models of 7 penguin species and grow crystals on a polar bear. Paint a glow-in-the-dark aurora and create a diorama of an Antarctic scene. Make penguin ice shapes to experiment with slippery science. Use ice cubes and laboratory equipment to experiment with the science of salt. Explore ocean currents with density and temperature experiments, and discover how plants and animals are adapted to survive in extreme cold. Explore the challenges of climate change by experimenting with warming ocean water and sea level rise. Use water-hating sand to clean up an oil spill and find the North Pole with a floating compass. The Polar Extremes Kit includes more than 30 tools and ingredients and a full-colour discovery book for over 25 science activities, including spectacular images to explore the science of the Earth's polar regions. Climate change is speeding up the loss of the Earth's polar ice. Through education and action, we can work to protect our precious polar regions. The Polar Extremes Kit. And remember, there's only one wild science.